How to see your listening age on Spotify. Hidden listening statistics. If you're curious to know whether your music taste is considered young, modern, or old school, this guide will help you check it easily. So let's get started. First, open the Spotify app on your phone or go to the Spotify website using your browser. Now, Spotify itself does not directly show something called listening age, but you can find it using Spotify statistics tools that analyze your music history. To do this, open your browser and search for Spotify Listening Age Stats or Spotify Stats Analyzer. Then, open one of the trusted Spotify statistics websites. Once the website opens, tap on Login with Spotify. Now Spotify will ask for permission to access your listening data. Simply tap on Agree or Allow so the tool can analyze your music activity. After logging in, the website will start analyzing your listening history, favorite artists, and most played songs. Within a few seconds, it will show different statistics about your account, such as your top artists, your most played tracks, your music genres, and your estimated listening age. So that's how you can easily check your Spotify listening age using hidden stats tools. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Spotify tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.